Hey, if you're a gym owner, fitness manager, personal trainer, or looking to do a career change into the fitness industry and become a personal trainer, then this is for you. I am the author of a book and course called How to Become an A-List Personal Trainer: Fundamentals for Service, Branding, and Success. So in this course, I discuss things that you would not learn in a regular certification course or very likely in a college course. Now, the workshop provides trainers and anyone interested in entering the field with strategies on becoming an influencer and building a personal brand as means to growing a clientele base. A systematic approach to building a strong network through client relationships and by providing excellent service. Hey, don't take my word for it. I'm going to read to you one recent testimony. How to be an A-list personal trainer is a tremendous resource for any fitness, health, and wellness director or those in management of personal trainers. Julio Salado has written and delivered an easy-to-understand approach to being successful, not only in terms of financial gain, but also in developing that deep relationship with clients that get them to a point where they want to make real lifelong changes for themselves. The true reward for any personal trainer, impacting lives in a positive way. Julio's content and reflects a deep understanding of the trials and tribulations of all personal trainers, but especially those that may be struggling or new to the industry. Regina H., YMCA Health and Fitness Director. So what is an A-list personal trainer? Regardless of your experience and physical experience, you do not have to look like a fitness model. An A-list trainer consistently exemplifies skills and attributes of successful personal trainers, business leaders, and legendary coaches. I will continue to use social media to impact lives in a positive way. Please check out the links in my post, and remember to be well and stay active.